We have a dog that is a jumper, as my last video about this subject can attest, and here's why it's a problem. This nasty chain link fence. Now, I tried rain gutters on top of that chain link fence, but aesthetically they weren't that great, and our jumping friend loved to chew off the zip ties that held these rain gutters in place, and eventually the rain gutters would fall off. So I thought I would update this solution by using ABS pipe. I've got a piece of ABS plastic pipe here, and I sliced it in two spots so that I was able to remove this piece that I'm pulling off so that the ABS would fit more snugly over the chain link fence than the rain gutter did. And you can see there's a cross section, and what I'll do is I'll take 4 of these ABS pipe sections and zip tie them to the chain link fence. There you can see the rain gutter next to the ABS pipe. Obviously the ABS is more secure, it looks better, and using the black zip ties, our furry friend can't really see the zip ties as well, so he's less apt to try to attack them. There's another shot of that nasty fence. That is one ugly and dangerous fence. So here I am placing another ABS section on top of that chain link, and then I'll fasten that down with black zip ties. And when it's all done, this will be a far more secure solution than the rain gutters were. I'm snipping the ends of the zip ties like so, and as you can see, no bolts, no hardware of any kind was used to assemble this, and it ends up making for a much safer environment for our furry friend. Sure, I could put up wood slats along the length of this chain link fence, but that would get pretty expensive. I was looking for something economical, something quick and easy, and this ABS solution is it. So now our furry friend, he can jump on this fence all he wants, and he's protected. He's safe. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my other videos. I have a lot of DIY videos out there. Thanks for watching.